first sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names?
Yes, I prepared actually 3 questions. Actually, I have 4, but the girl here, it's okay. So it's so easy. My question's so easy. First of all, I'd like to welcome Germany. I traveled 5 hours for you guys. I'm so happy to see you now live. Actually, I'm actually 18 because of hanging off SB19. That's why I'm here. Thank you so much for loving SB19. I'm 18. Yes, and Manis S. Okay, so my first question. I know that this is not your first time to yung mag-concert around the world. Diba? Like Kalimani sa Asia, dami yung pinagpinuntahan. So my question is, what's the biggest challenge of touring internationally and now Europe?
Grabe, pang-pageant, no?
What's the biggest challenge? That's a very good question. We were actually talking about this earlier. I think the biggest challenge is how do you get people to care that you are visiting to perform? You know, tayo mga Pilipino, marami tayong ginagawa, busy tayo, di ba? We have our entire lives going on, lalo na pag nasa ibang bansa. So, yung paano kami magiging bahagi ng schedule nyo? Dahil, di ba, I know that your schedule is already laid out many weeks before, di ba?
Yes.
So, I think that's the challenge. How do you get people to care, especially if you haven't really met them in person? And I think the challenge for us, normally, people start to love the ones when they see us perform live. So, kung hindi nyo pa po kami napapanood live, maybe may extra difficulty for us to encourage or to invite people. So, kaya intentional po na gusto namin dumalaw, gusto namin kayo makausap, we wanna spend time with you because we believe that there's power in connection. And the answer to the question, how do we get people to care about us? I guess it's when you will feel that we genuinely care about you also.
Yeah,
And that's why we're here. We're here to bring our music. We're here to remind all of you that our music is intentional in connecting and caring for you, relating to you, and sort of being your companion in your journey, even abroad.
Very well said. I'm so excited na napapagod sila live. So my next question, sino sa inyo ang talagang born na writer? Yung born na writer. Lahat naman kayo, di ba? Okay. So, eto na lang ang tanong ko. Which of your songs best represents who the ones are? Just one. So hard. Kasi lahat yata, you know? Yes, lahat. Okay, lahat ng songs po nila represents the ones.
I guess it's iba-iba siya per season of our lives. Say for example, ngayon, since we are taking on an international tour, siguro yung song namin na Ate ng Mundo. Because it's about knowing that pagkasama mo yung best people around you, you can take on the world.
Wow, yeah, that's
and
true.
that's literally what we're doing right now. Going to places, sharing our music.
Thank you. And I have last question. Okay, I'm gonna continue now. Okay, so this is my last question, no? Kasi you're so busy. When you go back to Philippines or after your Europe tour, do you plan to release new music? Because of course, Manistas waiting for that.
Yeah, actually, on June 12th, we have a song coming up. Hindi siya bagong song, but we were given the opportunity to revive the song. It's called Pangarap Kong Ibigin Ka.
Wow.
Written by Tito Ogie Alcacid and performed by... So, kami po ay nabigyan ng pagkakataon to give a fresh new life and approach doon sa kanta na yun. So while we're here in Europe, June 12, doon po lalabas yung song. So right away, once we get back, we have a show to sort of celebrate that release. Kasama rin po namin sa album na yun, yung ibang mga banda. Today's
Yeah, okay.
and other famous bands.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, that's all.